Hey there, welcome back friends. From this video we will start building our showroom application where there would be like multiple brands, there would be multiple bikes from these brands, and definitely there would be spare parts available for specific vehicle again. So definitely there would be this application build step by step in our forthcoming videos. Now first of all, we will try to implement a very simple basic application based on brands, and let me also show you the URI patterns. So for example, here is the diagram of the application, entire application, and if we check, there would be like a dependency on this particular element which is brands. So in here we will start building a URI pattern for brands specific. So first of all, let us build a URI pattern for get brands. So this is our target, so that we can retrieve the information. Whatever brands is available in the application, we will get the list whenever we will navigate to the URI pattern get brands. So that is something which we will try in this video. Alright, so now let us navigate to our Eclipse IDE real quick. Here we go, and now we already have this particular application, and we will definitely modify the application later down the line. But as of now, first of all, let us quickly check the problems tab, and in here there are two warnings. And these warnings are that we have added two jar files which are external jars, and somehow whenever we will be exporting our application for deployment, for example, in here we have this option of export. So whenever we would be exporting this application, these jar files won't be part of the exported application. As a result, we are getting the warning. Now, even though these jar files are already part of Apache Tomcat, still it is a good idea to add these dependencies on pom.xml. Moreover, there are like two jar files, JSP API and Servlet API. In fact, JSP API is not required. We will add the dependency of Servlet API only. So let us firstly navigate to build path, and let us quickly remove these two dependencies from the build path, and we will add the dependencies on pom.xml. So as soon as I remove the jars from build path, we will start getting problems. So in here it will update the index, and it will take a couple of seconds. Let me quickly update the Maven project. Here we go. So in here there is this JSP problem, right? So we need to add this JavaX servlet dependency inside our pom.xml. So let me open up pom.xml. Let me minimize this. Alright, so here is our pom.xml, and now let me quickly navigate to Google, and in here you can simply Google for Servlet API jar. Let me navigate to the first search result provided by Google. Alright, and here is a warning. There is a new version of this artifact. So let me navigate to this particular link, which is Java Servlet API, and we will navigate to the latest version, which is version 4.0.1. Let me click on the latest version, and here is the dependency. So let me copy this particular part real quick. Let me minimize this, and in here let me add the dependency real quick. So it would be added in here. Let me save the changes. Let me format things a little. Alright, and in the background, Maven will download the appropriate jar, and our issue is fixed. Let me also show you the markers tab real quick. So in here there is no warning, there is no error, and our application has been fixed completely. So this is amazing, and we can again quickly run this application, and our application should run properly. Here we go. So this is good, this is nice. Alright, now the length of the video is pretty high, so let us end this video right away, and in our next video we will start exploring and we will start building our new very simple RESTful API. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and take care.